All right, so this lesson in learning the American accent, learning how to sound like a real native speaker, is talking about how to pronounce going to and want to when you hear them in sentences, when you want to say this stuff in real life. Native speakers, just listen to them. Listen on the radio, listen anytime they're talking about you. Very rarely hear them say going to or want to. They don't pronounce all of the syllables. They make it sound easier. Native speakers do this a lot, and this is just one example. So I'm going to get into a couple examples here. And I've seen a lot of lessons that say it's exactly gonna instead of going to, or wanna instead of want to. And these are close, but they're not exact. So what I want you to do is listen to what I'm saying and then try to repeat it and learn from the exact sound. So it's more closely associated with gonna and wanna, but it's not exact. It's a little bit nuanced here. So there's some subtle differences, and I just want you to pay attention to how I read these sentences. I'm going to read each sentence the way that it's written, and then I'm going to read it in a way that a native American speaker would read it. So you're going to want to listen to the first one just to understand what is being said, and then the second one to practice how you should be saying it when you're speaking. Okay, so the first sentence is, he's going to meet us after work. And the way that it's read is, he's going to meet us after work. So he's going to meet us after work is read, he's going to meet us after work. Next one, she's going to be late for the party. And you can imagine this because girls seem to always be late for parties and other things when they're putting on makeup or whatever. But anyway, if you want to say she's going to be late for the party, you just say, she's going to be late for the party. She's going to be late for the party. That's very native, that second one. And the last one with going to is, I'm going to go to sleep early tonight. And the way to read that is, I'm going to go to sleep early tonight. I'm going to go to sleep early tonight. Okay, and then we've got three more with want to. And the first one is, I want to get drunk tonight. So I want to drink a lot of alcohol tonight, feel pretty good. And the way to read that is, I want to get drunk tonight. I want to get drunk tonight. I want to get drunk tonight. Much more native. So as most guys do, they might say, I want to meet some girls. And instead of pronouncing each word like that, they're just going to say, I want to meet some girls. I want to meet some girls. And the last one's a question, but still has want to in there. And it's, do you want to watch the basketball game? And the way that one's pronounced is, do you want to watch the basketball game? Do you want to watch the basketball game? So you can notice it's quite a bit faster. There's a lot of softer pronunciations in there. Today we focused on going to and want to. And in some lessons later on, we're going to be talking about some other words and keep doing this over and over again until you learn absolutely every little trick there is to know on how to get a perfect American accent.